Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. How y'all guys doing? Yes, you guessed, I am back to teach another line dance. It's an easy peasy. Heads up instructors, there is a change in the third rotation. The name of the dance is 9 Factor. So watch out, in the third rotation there is a change, okay? There's only 2 parts. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in learning the step-by-step instructions of this dance here, I'll post it at the end. And guys, Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself presents a 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans. It's going to be fabulous, the Nova Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. It will be here before you know it, so we're getting ready right now. That means you can book your hotel right now, and registration opens this year, June 1st, 2023. For all details, to book your room, and registration takes place at our website, go over to www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's get to it. So this line dance is called 9 Factor. The music is Who Is She to You, and the artist is Brandy. Let's get it. And I'm sorry, the choreography is LAQUISHA, PEARSON. Let's go.
Brandy Queen, we gon' get on that. We gon' get on that. We out.
Did you see that change? That is 9 factor. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Please visit our website for details at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.